Alright, we are going to replace this muffler. Hey, what are you doing? How'd you get out? How'd you get out? Come on. Alright, so we're going to be replacing this muffler. Came with the bike when I bought it. It's just basically a straight pipe. It's a little too loud and it's just a little annoying sounding for me. So let's check it out. So it's loud. It's got a nice rumble to it. But I don't know, I kind of like this. I like it muted a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this muffler here. It's just like a pretty cheap top-rated muffler on Amazon, but it had some good reviews. It looked nice. I like the clean, basic, look of it. I also got the DB killer, the silencer, which fits right in there like that. And I'm gonna either use this stuff. This goes up to 1500 degrees, or use this. This goes up to 2400 degrees. I'll probably end up using this here. It says it hardens like steel. You could drill into it, whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal that right there. It's a 12mm bolt. So I got this middle link pipe from Amazon. It's got the like that titanium blasted finish on it. I got another one that didn't have this color on it, but it wasn't the right one for the Ninja 300. This was the only one they had available on Prime, so I figured it might add a little splash of color. This top part's going to be covered by the muffler anyway, so let's see. There we go. Okay, so I just smeared some of this stuff on the inside right there, right where the muffler and the silencer meet. And then it seems to fit right on with no problems. I was gonna sand it down, but I mean it goes all the way on, no problem. So I think we're good like that. There we go. I think it looks nice and clean. What do you guys think? I think it looks way better. Gives it some nice color. I like the simple, clean design. I like how the edge is cut right here. Looks good. Alright, I'm out here. I got the bike warmed up. Got the slip on. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a sound test. guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the view too. That is Yorba Linda. Yeah, Yorba Linda for the most part. I'm in Anaheim Hills at the moment. It's a great view. No parking anytime, except for videos and pictures. Beautiful scenery. Great place to ride.